Hey everyone, my name is Grace. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix an even shoulder parts and the neckline. So this is the dress I'm wearing it. It's already fit with me. I just need to fix the neckline parts, which is a bit low for me, and even shoulder parts. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm just taking out the sleeves. So the first thing you're gonna do is wear inside out the dress first, and then measure how much you're gonna take out the shoulder areas. And after that, I just seam rip off a little bit the neckline area so that I can sew it the shoulder areas. So I sew the measurement of the shoulder and then reattach with the neckline. I'm using a basic stitch. So this is for the sleeves. What I did was I measured out with the shoulder and the sleeves. So the same measurements. So place right side together and sew the shoulder back on. Pin it first, which just makes easier to sew. Sew all the way and then you are finished. Thank you for watching this video. Check out my other video on Instagram and on YouTube as well. Thank you for watching this video.